I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping the attack on Titan cosmetic set. Do that now so visuals match your plan. Once done, pick the emote and spray you will use to signal teammates. Next, choose a drop near high buildings or ruins. You need vertical cover. Make sure to sync loadouts with teammates so everyone understands roles: scout, anchor, and grappler mimic. Doing this first sets the aesthetic and tactical baseline for the rest of the match. Once you are on the ground, act like a mobile squad. You play fast and vertical. Move rooftop to rooftop using parachute control and quick vaults. This gives you height advantage for vision and angles. Make sure to favor SMGs or carbines for rapid engagements because you will close distances frequently. Coordinate smoke and flashes for escalations, and use vehicles only for fast repositioning. Keep communicating enemy location. As the circle tightens, focus on cutting lines of retreat. Force fights where you control the high ground. You should isolate opponents with grenades and suppressing fire, then push decisively. When the final rotations happen, smoke and building control win games. Make sure to hold choke points. If your attack on Titan skins or emotes fail to appear, restart the game and re-equip the set before the next drop. That usually clears cache issues and gets visuals back intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.